Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 11, Part A. Write 0.00708 in standard form. Let's first briefly understand what standard form means. A number in standard form is written as a times 10 to the power of n. Here, a is the number at the front, and it must be greater than or equal to 1, but less than 10. We are given the number 0.00708. Clearly, this number is not between 1 and 10, so it is not in standard form. To write it in standard form, we move the decimal point to the right until the number lies between 1 and 10. To move the decimal point one place to the right, we multiply by 10 to the power of -1. This keeps the value of the number the same because multiplying by 10 and dividing by 10 cancel each other out. So, after moving the decimal one place to the right, the number becomes 0.0708 multiplied by 10 to the power of -1. However, 0.0708 is still not between 1 and 10, so we move the decimal point one more place to the right. Now the number becomes 0.708 multiplied by 10 to the power of -2. This is still not between 1 and 10, so we move the decimal point one final place to the right. The number now becomes 7.08 multiplied by 10 to the power of -3. Since 7.08 lies between 1 and 10, the number is now in standard form. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.